Video.
Hi.
Hi, we're at Padera Lane. It's September 18, or it's July 18. And there's Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Can you say hello? Hey. Zoe is throwing dirt on Daddy. What is going on here? What's going on here? Can you get the dirt off me? Ew. Ew. That's gross.
It is Ew. Ew.
Uh-oh. You see that? She went,
Yeah,
uh-oh.
did you get me
Uh-oh.
in a video?
Yeah, it's videoing right now.
Do it again.
Uh-oh.
Ew. That's really gross.
Thanks, Zoe.
How
Thanks,
about me?
thanks for the nice video.
How about Mama? Hi. Okay.
That's funny. She's throwing dirt all over Daddy. You want to split this?
No, you can have it.
I wanted to save some for Zoe, but I guess there's some there.
It's for Zoe, the bread. I don't like the chicken. The chicken is not fresh.
What? Really? I won't shop at Bonds anymore. Wow. Zoe, look.
Uh-oh, water. You're such a big baby, hon.
There you go. Should what?
Because you're not wearing a proper attire for beach. That's the thing I hate you. Because you're very untidy.
There's a lot of reasons you hate me, honey.
No.
That's just normal in any relationship.
Huh?
It's normal.
It's not normal.
Yeah, when you're around someone all the time, you just find the little things you don't like to. Because your life would be perfect if it wasn't for that.
No.
So you have to make your life not perfect so you can think that you're not happy.
Can you eat this? Thanks, Steve.
Can I let her walk a little bit into the water?
Yeah.
After one more glass.
No.
Hold your glass.
Let me pour,
No,
man.
I'm pouring it. I've been pouring champagne longer than you've been alive.
Fuck you.
Wow. You need fuck because you're in a bad mood.
Huh?
You need fuck because you're in a bad mood.
Yeah. I am. It's been a long time.
Yeah, it's been 1 week. Monday was the last time.
I've been asking you, but you said I'm tired.
I've been sick.
Now I'm gonna divorce you.
You know I've been sick.
I know. I'm sorry. I love you, hon. Do you love me?
Yeah, but I don't want to get you sick.
Why?
What if you're pregnant? That'd be bad. So you want to take a little walk with Daddy?
What bad, hon?
You could, if you're pregnant, the baby could get hurt by you getting sick.
Oh, because I'm drinking?
What?
Because I'm drinking?
No, if I'm sick and I get you sick.
Oh. Okay.
It's just best not to kiss you if I have a sore throat.
Can I take a picture of you guys?